Hey curl friends, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got engaged and I don't know how to act, but I wanted to give you all a wedding inspo style, so I teamed up with The Main Choice in their new line, Hair Type for Leaf Clover Collection. If you want to see how I got this style popping, keep watching. The Main Choice created the Hair Type for Leaf Clover Collection with us Type 4 girls in mind. We wanted to let the world know that we are here, our hair is beautiful, and we can do some amazing things with it. I started off with the collection's Manageability and Softening Remedy shampoo. The shampoo, along with the rest of the products, contain clove oil, flaxseed oil, and aloe vera. This shampoo smells amazing, and it gently cleanses and reveals hair's natural luster. As I'm shampooing my hair, I can't help but to notice that I'm not overwhelmed with a bunch of suds. It's like the shampoo is just lifting the product and the dirt from my strands and my scalp and setting right on top of it, so when it's time to rinse out, it'll wash right down the drain. Now my hair is freshly rinsed, and I'm going to apply the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Collection's conditioner. This conditioner moisturizes and restores dry, brittle, coarse hair, strengthens and nourishes to minimize hair loss, improves texture, and helps maintain healthy pH balance. The consistency and the slip of this conditioner is perfect for my Type 4C hair. It allows my fingers to glide right through effortlessly, just as though I detangled, but I didn't. I didn't, y'all. I didn't detangle until after I applied it in my hair. Now this next product is not a part of the new collection, but you may have seen it before. It's the Main Choice Natural Shine and Polishing Mist. This is one of my favorite thermal defense products to put on my hair before I blow dry my hair out, and that's exactly what I did to make this style pop. You want to make sure that anytime you even think about adding any type of heat to your hair, you add a thermal defense to it. A heat protectant will save your coils and your curls. So now that my hair is protected and stretched, let's start styling. I parted my hair into two sections. I took the part from one ear all the way across the top of my head to the other ear. Now y'all know how I am with parting, so I went back in the mirror and looked to straighten those parts up because we have to get these lines perfect. The Manageability and Softening Remedy Leave-In Spray is a daily leave-in spray that detangles and minimizes frizz. Spray the leave-in all over the back portion of my hair. I follow that up with the Manageability and Softening Remedy Moisturizing and Styling Cream. This cream is perfect for the coily, wavy, kinky, coily hair. I apply a generous amount of cream to the back portion of my hair and then start to comb and brush the hair up into a top ponytail towards the middle of my head. When love comes in, separating my ponytail in half, I'm going to create two chunky twists that are going to form an elegant bun. How you wrap your chunky twist around your band is totally up to you. I decided to wrap mine clockwise. Using small bobby pins, I tucked and pinned the ends of the twist into the hair tie. Now that we got a big portion of our hair out the way, let's get to the front. I'm going to portion the front off into three sections. The side portions are going to be flat twists, two on each side, and the middle portion will be our waterfall of curls coming down from flexi rods. I'll be using the leave-in spray and the moisturizing styling cream also for each section of my hair. That's right, with the flat twist and the curls. If you've been watching my videos for a while, my styles are pretty easy and customizable. So the way you do your flat twist are totally up to you, but of course me, I'm going to do them the easiest way possible. Just to give a little bit of twist to my flat twist, no pun intended, I decided to curve them up and going up towards the middle of my head. Now that I have my flat twist on both sides, I'm going to pin the end of my flat twist together up towards the middle top of my head. I secure the ends of these twists by doing the crisscross method and pinning those down into my hair. Can y'all just please get into the flourishment of my hair and the hair growth that's going on in my life? Now it's finally time to start our cascading or waterfall curls. I'm going to section off that middle section into smaller sections. I'm then going to put in our trusty duo of the Daily Leave-In Spray and the moisturizing styling cream. Now I added a little bit of the styling cream and then I twisted down about 4 times. And then you see me adding a little bit more of the styling cream to the open ends. And that's because I want my hair a little bit damp with the styling cream. That styling cream makes those curls so soft and shiny though when you add it. So make sure you add enough not to saturate the whole portion, but get your hair just a little bit damp. Using flexi rods are optional also. You can use perm rods, but the reason I didn't want to use perm rods is because perm rods make my curls a lot tighter and shorter. Flexi rods elongate my curls, bringing it further down my forehead. My makeup is done and my hair is dry. It is time to reveal these curls. Oh my God, y'all, would you look at that curl and that shine? Thank you, styling cream. Look, styling creams don't always have to be for twisting your hair. They can be for curling too, y'all. Since I 2-strand twist my hair before I apply my flexi rods, the separating task is not that tedious because it's already separating by itself with the 2-strand twist. All I do is just I go back in and probably separate one more time and then I leave it alone. My hair looks gorgeous, but my edges do not, so let's get on those. This is the Hair Type 4 Leaf Clover Stubborn Edges Freezing Gel. That's right, Stubborn Edges Freezing Gel. It freezes those stubborn edges right where they're supposed to be, in place. The freezing gel provides a superior strong and moisturizing hold. It polishes and neatly secures edges, smooths frizz, and moisturizes. Now I know you're probably wondering, where can I get my hands on any or all of these products from this collection? Well, you're in luck. The hair type for Leaf Clover Collection can be found in select Sally stores and on the Main Choice website, and I'll link that below in the description box. Now that my edges are laid and my hair is flawless, it's time to head to the wedding, but not without some cute hair decorations. This style is simplicity at its best. You can wear this to an engagement party, a bridal party, or even a wedding party. Throw in a baby shower while you're at it. I hope you all love this tutorial because it's very dear to my heart, because your girl's getting married, right? So please, if you love this, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and do not forget to subscribe. See you later, curl friends.